Robert Browning says, "Motherhood, all love begins and ends there." We all have heard of the mothers supporting and nurturing their children. But the story of Sindhutai Sapkal is a saga of nourishing the lives of several orphaned kids. Subjected to a life of dejection herself, Dr. Sindhutai Sapkal, a social worker and social activist, fondly called Mai, a Hindi word for mom, took it onto herself and devoted her life to serving the orphans. Born on November 14, 1948, in a cattle grazing family in Wardha district of Maharashtra, Sindhutai was referred to as Chindhi, which means a torn piece of cloth. As she was a girl child, her mother was against educating her. Her father, however, was keen on educating her and would take her to school without giving any inkling to her mother, who would think that little Sindhu was going out for grazing the cattle. Even before attaining puberty at the age of 12, she was married off to a man who was 20 years older to her. Her husband was a man of dominating nature, and she was often subjected to severe domestic violence. At the age of 20, when Sindhu got pregnant for the fourth time, her husband, provoked by the local landlords, beat her black and blue and ditched her in a cow shelter where she gave birth to a baby girl in a semi-conscious state. There came a time when Sindhutai could take it no longer and escaped her husband's house. She took to begging in the streets to survive. She was young, she was beautiful, she was hapless. Days would pass by, but nights would haunt her of the fear of getting picked up and molested by the local miscreants. She would take refuge in nights at the cemeteries and cowsheds. Life was tough, harsh, and humiliating for her. To put an end to all her ill fate, she tried committing suicide, not once, not twice, but thrice. But each time, she would be saved in the most unexpected manner. Later, Sindhutai moved to Chikaldara, where she found herself in the company of a large number of children and women who had been abandoned like her. She was touched by their utmost sorrowful plight and started begging for extra hours to feed them as well. In order to take care of those little ones not born out of her womb, she sent her biological daughter to a trust-run orphanage in Pune. She would adopt every orphan who came her way. It was difficult, but seeing them smile would comfort her own pains. Seeing her selfless dedication towards the hapless kids, some of her well-wishers helped Sindhutai set up her first ashram in Chikaldara, Amravati. Later, her first NGO named Savitribai Phule Girls Hostel was also registered there. Since then, she has been constantly setting up various organizations to cater to the orphans and sheltering them. Once leading a life of misery without any family, this mom has over 1,500 orphaned kids, a family of 382 sons-in-law, 49 daughters-in-law, and over 1,000 grandchildren now. Many of these children have grown to become professionals such as doctors, lawyers, etc., and are now transforming lives of other unfortunate ones. At present, Sindhutai has over 900 awards and honors to her credit, applauding her incredible work. She was conferred the Padma Shri in the year 2021 in the social work category. There are 6 active organizations run by her that work towards the benefit of orphans all over India. In the year 2010, inspired by her grit and determination to shelter and nurture orphan kids, Anant Mahadevan made a Marathi biopic titled Me Sindhutai Sabkal on her phenomenal journey. Your very own publishing house, Books 33, is shortly coming up with our latest book titled Love You Mom. Book your copy now. Stay tuned to Books 33's initiative of celebrating motherhood this entire month of May. Shortly, we will be coming up with another mom story of grit and grandeur in the face of highs and lows. Books 33, a home of the authors, by the authors, and for the authors.